what the heck is
Dyngus Day! What the heck is Dyngus Day? Hey, what the? Co to jest dzień Dyngusa? Dyngusa, Dyngusa. Co to jest dzień Dyngusa? Co to jest?
Nazywa się Smingus-Dyngus i co robimy tam? O czym ten projekt jest? No, w numerze Nowego Dziennika jest artykuł o szczegółach. Ja tylko powiem w krótkich słowach, że organizujemy klasy dla dzieci na Zoomie online, bo wiadomo, pandemia i ciężko jest się spotkać razem. Dzieci komponują piosenkę na specjalnej aplikacji na Dzień Dyngusa. W Buffalo co roku jest największa na świecie parada Dyngusa, gdzie David ze swoimi uczniami w 2018 roku wygrał swoją piosenką, która była puszczana na stacji ABC News i była również pokazywana, brawo, brawo, i była puszczana na wszystkich stacjach lokalnych, radiowych w Nowym Jorku, tam przy Buffalo. Rafał, który napisał ten utwór, generalnie ma 10 lat, w tej chwili już jest dorosły, ale wtedy he was 10 years old. Rafał Wołosz.
Hi, I'm Professor David Musial, and today's a very exciting day, January 27th, 2022, and I'm here in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, the Polish community, right across from the Empire State Building area of Midtown Manhattan here in New York City. And we announced today in this paper, we're featured in the most well-known paper here. It's been around for over 100 years, they tell me. We're on page 8 with our Dyngus Day Songs school announcement. Yes, the Smart Tracks Institute of Technology, Incorporated, a nonprofit, is going to be running the Music Tech Kids and Music Tech Teens curriculum to virtually teach groups of children, maybe the children or grandchildren of the people who attend here, how to make new songs about Dyngus Day. What the heck is Dyngus Day? Well, that's what I said many, many times since I've been a little boy.
Does any of this make sense to you? It doesn't to me. But the older kids get it. Does it hurt when you get hit? What the heck is Dyngus Day? Dyngus Day, Dyngus Day. What the heck is Dyngus Day? Hey, what the? Co to jest dzień Dyngusa? Dyngusa, Dyngusa. Co to jest dzień Dyngusa? Co to jest? What the heck is Dyngus Day? Dyngus Day, Dyngus Day.
Rafał Wołosz i tak się zrodził, ponieważ 2 razy dorosły na tej paradzie, tak się ta piosenka podobała, że zrodził się pomysł, żeby napisać z dziećmi naszymi polskimi tutaj z Greenpointu, napisać nowy utwór. Nowy utwór, który będzie na tej paradzie albo może jak pociągniemy sznurki tu i tam, może stworzymy nową tradycję na Greenpoincie i zrobimy swoją własną mini paradę Dyngusa.
What the heck is Dyngus Day? Hey, what the? Co to jest dzień Dyngusa? Dyngusa, Dyngusa. Co to jest dzień Dyngusa? Co to jest?
To by było fajnie, co? Słuchajcie, więc zobaczymy, co się z tego pomysłu zrodzi. Jeżeli ktoś chce o szczegółach, w Nowym Dzienniku jest cały artykuł na ten temat. Dzień Dyngusa, czyli zabawa, muzyka i edukacja w jednym. A teraz puścimy wam tą piosenkę, którą skomponował David z dziećmi. Dostali zaproszenie do Madison Square Garden, żeby śpiewać. Także David ma swoje studio nagrań w New Jersey, gdzie właśnie 2 programy Music Tech Kids. So we have 2 programs. We have 2 programs that basic, które Dawid prowadzi. To jest Music Tech Kids i Music Tech Teens, tak? Także bardzo proszę, żeby właśnie sobie przeczytać i zobaczyć i się zainteresować. Zaczynają się zajęcia w lutym, także bardzo serdecznie zapraszam.
Here we are back at the amazing Polish store in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and they've got all kinds of cool stuff and newspapers. Hey, they tell me this is like 100. I am Professor David Musial, who inspired the creation of the song, What the Heck is Dyngus Day? Here we are in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, the capital for New York City. And Kasia Drucker, my partner with this, is in the paper with us, all about our attempt to create more songs about Dyngus Day. Who knows? Maybe even start a parade here in New York City. Bye. So, Mr. Rafael Wallace, you and I wrote the song several years ago. Did you ever have any idea that this would be happening? What do you think about this?
It's amazing. I never had any idea this would happen, but I'm very happy and very excited for the future.
What is this paper?
Dowiedzieć, the Polish newspaper, and we have advertisement for our song in there.
You also have a feature article. Is that an advertisement? Yeah. Turn to page 8. Look at that. Okay, so it's talking about me and Kasia, but you're in here, and what are we saying? What's it saying that we're going to do for the next generation?
We're going to teach them how to write songs like these for new Dyngus Day parades.
Would you like to be a guest speaker in some of the classes since you and I started this?
Sure.
I never dreamed it either. Now, proud dad, you were there that day when he walked in. What do you think about it?
Well, it's a wonderful thing which happened.
He came in with his iPhone. Professor, I finished my EDM techno homework in GarageBand. And you were gleaming with joy, and he went right into the vocal booth in front of you. And what came out? What happened that day?
What happened? We work. We started to work with the music and.
What the heck is Dyngus Day? Hey, what? Hey, Rocky, translate.
Yes. Dyngus in general, because and you told us that there is a parade in Battle.
Yeah, and then he translated into Polish right in front of us.
You wrote the lyrics.
Was it fun?
You wrote the lyrics and we translated it into Polish.
Well, I can see myself over there. Well, we did it together. Here we are. Rafi and I, we wrote the song. Dad witnessed it. I'm so proud of him. You're in so much trouble. You didn't protect me. You didn't protect me. Oh, you're in trouble.
What the heck is Dyngus Day?